I've had the PetKit PuraX for a few months now since PetKit gifted this to me, and I really love this box. It's really easy to keep clean. I love how contained it is, and one of my favorite parts is that it has a heat sensor, so it'll stop before my cat even tries to step in, and then it cleans beautifully and is fully contained. But it is definitely time for a deep clean, so instead of just taking out the litter like I usually do, I'm gonna take it all the way apart and show you how bad it gets after a few months. You can see that some of the litter has collected in the bottom, and the drum had some litter stuck in it as well. All things considered, not too bad. I definitely need to put in some more purifying liquid. That keeps the air cleaner. I really love it. And with the drum, it's just a quick spray down, scrub it out. And while I'll start with a more sterile cleaner, I really love using enzymatic cleaners to make sure all the smell is gone in the end. Put everything back in, and yes, I need to put a trash bag in the bottom. I haven't done that yet, but here is the drum going back in. It's ready to go. Just make sure you lock the drum back into place on the back so there's no risk of it moving when it's not supposed to. Put back on the top and you're good to go. The last thing I do recommend is calibrating it so it's at 0% litter when it's empty, and then it will have accurate weight measurements for your cat as well. I love this box just as much as I love everything else from PetKit. They make great cat products.